Walmart supermarket or grocery supermarket. Yeah, park lang kami guys. So ayun guys, naglalakad na kami papunta dun sa loob ng Walmart. Ayan, maaraw. So here we are. Ayan, gusto niya magtingin ng costume guys. Have a lot of costume. For a boy. For a boy. Decoration. Punta kami dun sa sport world. Yun. Here we are. Dito sa My Sport bike. Ayan. May 88, may 78, 88, 58, 58, 98, 80. May mga helmet din. Ayan. Orange. That's better.
Why I think I'm better.
You can. Yeah. No, right low.
That's for the head. The legs goes on the back.
That's cool. Ayan. So, try it. Come.
Helmet? Yep. No, gusto ka na don't have that.
What? That's for the head. The legs goes on the front back.
Ayan. That's cool. Ayan. So, try it. Come.
Helmet?
That's when you want.
Yep. No, gusto ka na don't have that.
What?
So, ito po yung napili ni CJ. Ayan.
Well, I can split these bags if you want. Split those.
Ito yung napili niya.
I think that's it, that one daddy that like this.
Ayan. 20 inches boys dread bike red. Ito yung napili niya guys.
Yeah, this one's better.
Ayan, sakayan mo na. Guys, nakabili na po kami ng bike helmet at saka yung locker ng bike. So, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Mag-bike daw si CJ. So, I will catch up you later, guys. Lumayas na. Say hi. Say hi, Brian. Ayan, Trixie, Opal. Ayan. CJ is coming.
Palagtuman mo. I can do one hand, do double hands already. Like that, don't have hands. If you really fast and
Oh, that's strong.
you break,
You get 2 brakes.
do like this.
Ah, two? I thought this is for down.
It's 1 gear.
This one for the back.
No, I thought this is for the back.
Front brake, back brake. Front brake does more stopping.
Ah, this one, the back, the front?
The brake daddy in the back
It's
is
different.
no the same.
One more.
What do you think, Daddy? He gonna crush the car there?
Crash.
We don't know how to